I'm Charles, and this is my project, Signout Master. So Signout Master is a digital hall pass system for students to sign out of class. I wanted a better way to sign out of class besides hall passes and the current system that's implemented by my school. So this is inspired by a simpler sign-out app that was assigned during the year. The target users are school administrators and teachers. Features include customizability, sign-out monitoring, and history logs, and it's run from a server which I own rather than being run locally on every device that wants to use it. The design process I followed was the following. First, I created the back-end system for basic account creation. Then I added the monitoring system. Then I added the sign-out page for students to sign out of class. Then I added settings for school administrators to customize it. And I worked on the front end to make it look better. Then I diagnosed some bugs, and I solved some problems, including handling time zones, the need for teachers to log in multiple times, which was handled with a remote URL feature, and form validation, which is handled both by the front end and the back end. So now I'll demonstrate the app. So this is the home page. So I can register for an account. This is what a school administrator would do. So I can say, like, let's see. Let's pretend we're a school called Fake School. And so once you make an account, you can just log in. So no one's currently signed out, but this is the monitoring page. This is what the sign out page looks like. And then this can be locked just so students can use it. So theoretically, a teacher would sign into their account and then lock the panel and leave this like on a laptop near their door. And students can like sign out of class with like their ID and select a location. And then if it's unlocked, which this can also be seen from a different panel signed into the same account, so you wouldn't be locking and unlocking it over and over again, but like teachers can see who's currently signed out of class and how long they've been out of class. And then there's also settings such as customizing the destinations. So like, let's say the school doesn't have an office for some reason, we can remove that. And I can add a custom one, like, I don't know, the lounge, and they're allowed to go there for 5 minutes. The maximum time limit basically just flags students. It'll make this red and then it'll add a little flag icon here if they've been out longer than that limit, depending on which destination they're at and what the time limit is set to. The remote access link, this is what allows teachers to not have to sign in over and over again for school. So this URL just takes you to the dashboard, even if I open it in a completely separate like browser. So yeah, this just takes you directly to the panel. So someone could sign out and it does the exact same thing, even though they're not like signed in as a teacher. So here on the monitor page, you can see that student has signed out, and also this has updated show 1 minute. Other features just allow you to change the color of the panel. Like let's say your school's color is pink. You could set it to pink, and then students will see this nice pink color when they go to sign out. You can also change the school name, change how times are displayed, or change the time zone. And when a student signs back into class, like this, whoops, copied the wrong thing. They've been signed back in. It goes down here to show the total time they were out, and this is the past sign-outs table. So theoretically, this would be like a log of all the students that have signed out, and this is the students that are currently signed out of class. And that's pretty much it. Those are the features. Theoretical features I would have added would be individual pages, so a student could sign out from their phone or like from an individual app, student ID validation to like match IDs with names, which I didn't really have access to when I made this. Teacher sub-accounts so that teachers can monitor students without completely changing the school's settings, and more than just the school administrators can monitor the students. More customizability for the sign-out page, like the ability to upload a school logo to better fit in with the theme, like the pink I showed. A sign-in feature for like, well, you sign out of class, but then you have to sign into a destination, which already exists at my school, but this app doesn't really implement it. Other things could be like better control over dismissing students, pattern detection to like see if a student is like out multiple times, then maybe flag them on another level, and maybe a feature to automatically clear the sign-ins every night, because no student's gonna like sign out for like 300 hours just because they forgot to sign back in. Thank you for watching my video.